Hey guys, so I completely forgot I wanted to shoot this video, so I'm just gonna do it right now because I already just filmed another video. So we're just gonna, jump right into it, right on into it. Shoot this video real quick because it fucked up before. It was all blurry and shit. It's a rainy day today, so I'm busting out these kicks. Got some new kicks, Jordan 1s, the Gore-tex edition. Got a nice black box, Gortex sticker on here, and with the classic just opening lid. I like the ones that are attached, keep it more like together. Oh well. Size 10, retail $260, Jordan 1 element, colorway Sail, light bone, college gray, DB2889, 100. Yeah. Nike and the swoosh name and stripe are trademarks. Guaranteed to keep you dry. Gore-tex. So these are like gonna be my new winter, spring, water shoe, boot, everything. We got them individually wrapped because you know it's that luxury. And I think these were released first in Europe. So they got these shits first, and I saw them, and I was like, damn, I want them. And then I saw the light berry colorway come out, and I was like, damn, I want it. But these came out first, so I caught them because they're so sick. I could not resist. Unfortunately, I already cut off the tag, because I'll put a little clip of the blurry video in to show you what happened. And I've worn them once, unfortunately. But oh well. Time to go through these shoes with you in full HD. So, we got the right shoe here. You see it's got that nice purple, that bone color, or that, what do they call it on here? Is that the bone? I don't even know. This is the bone. I guess this is the gray, but it looks purple to me. It's so beautiful. Black. I thought it was a reflective swoosh too, but I guess not. It's just like a different kind of material. Got that rip stop throughout. One thing I don't like is how hard the toe box is. It's not very flexible at all. So I'm like, it feels like you're gonna like break it when you're walking. The holes don't really go through because you don't want it to leak through. Love the gum on this. Some like abstract gum. It's black with some like white kind of like spilled throughout. It looks like it was like hand poured almost or something. Gore-tex logo embossed on the side with or not printed on the side, and then an actual embossed like Air Jordan logo, the classic on the Jordans, with the classic tag Nike Air, made in China, blah blah blah, swoosh's quality. This is also, the tongue is also rip stop. Normal laces though, which why I'm kind of surprised about that. It would have been cool to get some like Gore-tex, like some like finished like wax laces like on the Gore-tex Air Forces. Those ones are actually like finished and like I'm pretty sure they're waterproof or water resistant, but these are just regular. So kind of lame how they're not like extra utility laces. Maybe I'll have to put my own in eventually. Some purple ones or like, I don't even know, some white ones. What would look good with this? Comment what color would look good for the laces. And we'll get the left shoe out. So these were like a beautiful print. They even still smell like you know, like that brand new car smell. It's like, this is like the freshest shoe smell. Like, you know, like when you're a kid and you walk into like freaking Sports Check and you get that blast of that like fresh shoe smell. That's what these are like. So fresh, so sick. There was also the Gore-tex logo in the shoe, but that wiped off from the first time wearing. Size 10, the tags on the side. Very nice finish. Love the leather on it and like the soft, like kind of like suede, but it's like a more durable, like nubuck mixed with a suede almost. Inside's comfy. Got the extra padding around the ankle. Keep you warm and stuff. Came with tons of papers in this bad boy. There were even more when I first got it. And yeah, I cut off the tag. I think I put it away somewhere. But yeah, I think it's time to try these on. Show you guys what they look like on the feet And then I'm gonna head out into this rainy day and go do a little bit of shopping, you know? Maybe I'll have to make another video later, show you guys what I copped. So, you loosen it up. These shoes are also pretty true to size, to say the least. Oh yeah, and this shoe has just like the Nike logo in it. Love the gum on these. So sick, bro. So dope. Okay, time to put them on. What the hell, bro? This phone doesn't want to stay ever. Oh my god. Okay, time to toss them on the feet. Oh. Need the video pause. No. Oh yeah, look at that. Got my Patagonia trail pants on, ready. I'm ready for all kind of weather. My Flatbush zombie socks. Actually kind of like, looks fly with it, you know? Like that, the bright colors with the faded colors. I love that. Oh. Lace them up, lace them up. Mac Miller, Best Day Ever album, so fire. Oh yeah. Like damn, bro, even the smell of these is like too strong. It's crazy. There we go. Lace them up. So dope. Pretty sick. I think Maya likes them a lot too. Do ya, Maya? You like the shoes? Yes. She says yes. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more shoes, more stuff I'll be buying. Woo! Alright, let's test these bad boys out. Let's go for a spin. In the new kicks, take them for a ride, eh, Maya? Ready to go for a walk? Come here. Come here, Maya. You ready to go for a walk? Yeah? Yeah? Oh my gosh. You ready to go for a walk? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention these socks are also super comfortable. They're like my favorite. They're made in Japan. They're called Beams. That's the company. Got them off deadstock.ca, livestock. Pretty nice. Really recommend them. One of my favorites. alongside the ACG, but these are like more soft, like a very nice knit, like a very fine, look, you can even like see through it. Such a nice knit. I love these ones. They're my favorites. So yeah, made in Japan too. So fire. So comfy. Keep my feet nice and warm and dry. Amazing shoes, socks for the winter. Amazing shoes for the winter, for the rain. That's why we're gonna go for a walk in the rain, test them out, and show you how they ride in the rain. All right, it's cold, it's windy. But you know what? Wait, why is this shit on? So yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video and appreciate what I do, make sure to support, like and subscribe. I'd appreciate that a lot. Maya appreciates it too. And look forward to more stuff coming soon. Cause yeah, I'm just doing everything, buying more stuff. You need to support this spending habit, you know? It's expensive habit, but I love it, you know? So yeah, let me know what you think about the shoes. Any comments, what I should get next. Yeah, thanks a lot, guys. Make sure to keep up to date. See ya.